So what's up, you guys? It's your boy right here with my boy Ibuki and my boy Eric. We're about to change his bushings on this car. I need that shit done too, but I don't got the bread right now.
I could probably carry this.
Yeah, you probably can't carry this shit.
Yeah, you better carry it. No, I turned off that recording on accident.
Wait, how much did they do for that, bro?
17, I think. 1700. No. Yes, it is.
Bro, I would sell my car right now, bro.
I was gonna ask him to buy the rims.
This one, oh, you got 18,000 miles, 800.
Yeah, that's too much, bro. It's a VR6 though. It's a V6. This is Eric. This is the VR6. I didn't even know.
This is what I wanted, bro.
Cause it has so many miles on it. But yours is a Honda. Hondas be living forever. If you treat it right, Hondas be living forever.
Dude, the engine just broken, bro.
Probably.
I don't honestly, probably.
Cause you're the one that's driving it now.
Right. Not
got the
sick buckets before.
Badgeless Civic 05. What type of exhaust is that?
Spectre. Just a replica.
It's just clean.
Yeah, you know we do. I need to find out if this.
Got my Jetta. Ain't got shit done to it but a ram intake. Completely stock, no rims, no nothing, and muffler delete. Sounds pretty good. Project car. That's all we do. Just work on cars. You only have 4 lug nuts?
Yeah. Show that they didn't start doing 5 till after this year, I believe.
Because like we used it for the past week and you haven't charged it, have you? Yeah, that's not strong.
What do you mean that's not strong? Like the impact went like
Isn't it supposed to like hammer, like it's supposed to vibrate it out, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like it's vibrating that much to me. Oh, there you go.
Torque, bitch.
Yeah, but that shit just gets stuck. I need that wrench.
You need to hit it. Hold up. Hit it with.
Yo, I feel like I'm about to bend the bolt though.
Like I have a new one. The whole point is to get the whole thing off. I have the new one.
This is a whole new thing. I need to get it more. Like, bro, I'm telling you, like, just fuck that shit up. Just don't fuck the swings. Just don't fuck the bar up.
Oh man, Eric put the shifter on the wrong way.
I need to bring the thing for the titles back.
Nice car though.
Look, get it.
Awesome car.
Get it. You fucking with my bitch.
Pipsqueak. Oh, we got the fresh cut. Ready for that video.
Bitch, you gotta take the knife.
Oh, shit. I don't want to race him. Like I want to race him, but I already know the result.
The V6.
It's too fast.
How much horsepower does your shit have? It probably has like 180.
Yeah. It says 190 something, but it's not always the exact what it says. It's
Yeah.
probably 180.
Yeah. It's never exact. Mine sits like 1.
No, from wherever they put, that's to the wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he might get 200. Who knows? So we got the nut all halfway out. Hold on, cause now we need to get it. It's so rusted that it's kind of stuck.
Let me see if I can get one of these Allen keys in there. So it doesn't move while you twist it.
Putting in work out here, man. It's hot. I don't know how hot it is, but it's hot.
It's hot as fuck.
It is hot as fuck. That's what it is. It's a beautiful day though. The most reliable. He said he kept up with the AMG.
It wasn't the Mercedes. It was the Lexus.
Oh, the
They were
IS?
all racing. It was,
The IS 350?
It was Brandy, the Lexus, and then they were racing the AMG.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, go ahead, go back.
Yeah, I didn't see that.
I just saw Glenn go on the shoulder and just overtake everyone.
Oh yeah, that was a good shit, man.
That was the first one. That was
Yeah, I
the first one
didn't.
ever been.
Yeah, it's same. I don't think I'm ever gonna go to a meet again, unless my car is like ready for a meet, cause it's loud and it
Mine isn't ready. I just go.
Yeah, nigga, I drive a fucking Camry, nigga. I just go.
people would think I'm ricey though, cause it's loud.
Go on, go.
But it's not rice. I have an intake. I have an aftermarket intake. It ain't rice.
Go. Come on Sunday. At 11 in the morning.
Is it cars and coffee?
Oh, it's 11 in the morning to what? Oh fuck, I can't. I still gotta work out.
I got church.
It's out in Glenbury. That's the thing.
That's a big.
I don't like that, bro. I'm telling
Yeah.
you, I haven't done shit to it.
I know,
Whatever
me either.
Here's how I got it.
Same. I got scratches everywhere. Dings, bumps.
Ow, my hand.
You okay?
Yeah.
Careful.
That's what I'm saying. Cars are dangerous.
I just want it tight.
It is? It's supposed to be 44?
PSI max 44.
Where does it say that?
Right here.
Oh, for real? Oh, I got Toyo tires, bro. Bro, this dude.
You get the banner.
Bro, all I gotta do is put the stickers on that shit and make sure those wheels are dark as shit, bro.
Boy, you were good.
Oh, for real?
You're at 40.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I look low.
I'm not gonna pump it too high.
Yeah, don't.
Cause it's already good.
So are we gonna call this unsuccessful day, Eric?
Yeah, it's already been an unsuccessful. It's been an unsuccessful day all day.
Yeah.
They took my PlayStation account.
They took your PlayStation. Make a new account.
You get it back, Eric. I promise.
You promise? I don't need you to promise me. I need them to promise me I'll get it back.
Where is like Sony PlayStation located, like the headquarters?
Who knows?
Run up on them. Hey, let's get a of your thing, cause we never got one. Yeah.
I think it's louder than mine. Oh, that's the feels fuck though.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. It's just low. We're gonna try our best to fix it.
You know what this stands for, right?
All I smoke is L's on a paper trail.
I can't remember it by heart.
I'm a hoonigan.
I debadge my.
It is.
Oh, it's leaking. Shit, yours is louder. That shit's louder than mine's, a Woogie.
That's just louder than my car.
I'm a hoonigan, bro.
Bro, let's like, hold on. You see? This. Hey. Hey. Hey.
All I smoke is L's on a paper trail.
You said neon?
Yeah, like a neon yellow. Oh, now you want to take it.
Fuck it, I'll do whatever. Does it have toggles?
Yeah.
He's gonna look really fucking boy. That's her name?
No, she got supposed to Slovakia. It looks like snow, right?
They were acting dumb. Like,
I should just go
Oh yeah, he's here.
under pressure.
That's why you got the clamps. You brought 3?
Oh, right, we have 2. Did I send it to you?
Test it out, bro.
could be that fugazi. Shit looks too cool.
Something fell on it.
There was a bug on it.
It's on a tree.
There you go, getting ass on that.
Fucking bugs. Can you take that? Take it off. My man looking good.
Easy precision.
That Cadillac is nice.
This is clean.
I think it's a DeVal.
Big ass wang on it.
My neighbor has one. He has the Polo Slam.
Success.
And it's the
Cadillac?
Yeah. And he has the cone. You know how to do it. The old people. They always gotta go cone. Yeah, the emblems come red.
It looks more rally with it on though.
They didn't come red.
No. They come like this.
They come blue.
Yeah.
Wait, hers does come red. Oh wait, you painted it red?
It was clean with that banner right there.
It's like 13
I
inches.
bought it.
She can't see.
I think I'm gonna paint my John white now.
Probably all broke it. Yeah, everyone that's had one.
That shit came off.
All I smoke is L on a paper trail.
Damn, like the BMWs, right?
Damn. You got the color shit too, right? Yeah, like that shit.
I put them just on.
It looks nice, but he needs to unfog his headlights.
I put them on.
That shit is
It-
foggy.
My shit's foggy too, but
They already know best state in the United States.
man, I like the grill too. It's too clean.
For you, did you like put this in here? Like you drilled it into here?
Yeah.
How? Wait, what?
That's what I'm thinking, dude.
Because Eric's trying to do the same thing to his.
I don't want
Oh,
it to be
this is some sort of metal. That's
Let's do it. No, that's nice.
it is.
Is this the intake?
Yeah. But it's not down there just yet.
How did you?
It's the cold air intake.
That's the cold air.
This is the cold air?
I had the pipes, but
That's dangerous though.
yeah, because then when it rains, if there's a flood, you're fucked.
Oh, you know there's a hurricane coming.
Or they have the middle the middle filter for it.
Isn't your license plate gonna like keep rubbing on your filter?
It'll be alright.
You sure?
I'm not gonna use that filter. You can't use that.
Because I get one that's not in the rain, right? Like,
Yeah,
mine.
You see all this shit on my fingers and shit?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You got a bird poop right there.
I got the same
I want to, but my phone broke, so I haven't texted you.
You know what you gotta do now? Get it lowered.
That's next. I'm planning to do it before the meet.
This meat?
Yes.
The fuck? Where you?
I'm tired of fucking white. Fuck it, I might as well.
You know it's this week, right?
Yeah.
Where you wanna get the money to lower it?
My cousin, he's in my clinic.
Oh, for real?
He can do it.
I'm not trying to fuck it up.
Shit. Not bad. I really like it.
This is one of the reasons why I don't like plastic.
Why?
Because it comes off easily.
Oh, this is plasti dip? I thought you were gonna paint it. Thought you guys were gonna paint it.
What do you mean?
Hmm?
What do you mean we're gonna paint?
Like paint it with paint.
She got plastic dip.
Oh.
But it looks fucking good.
Yeah, it still looks good. Only if the tires had more meat though.
Huh?
Only if the tires had more meat.
They were thick.
Yeah, if they were thick. This is round 2. Wait, how about fuck. I was gonna say you guys should do 2 at a time, but cause you know it gets dark fast now,
I know.
real fast. Where'd you guys get the cards from?
Look like a dumbass.
I mean, like, have the like, you can't like do 2 of them, like 2 more. Just change the front one out. This one.
Hey, carbon fiber this lip.
Like have 2 front ones.
Yeah, actually do that. I'm doing spoilers.
She's about to get an STI spoiler.
No, I don't.
But you're
I
not?
really don't want to.
Why?
I want
It's the door that.
aftermarket.
Unless you'd have to drill
Oh,
it.
shit.
I want a lip.
Everyone wants a lip.
I don't want to lip.
I want a lip.
Cause it won't look right on your car, to be honest.
The stickers should look stupid.
Fast guy.
I get, not for me. For me, it doesn't.
Yeah, for you it doesn't. But like the little spoilers like that, those look fine. But when they overdo it and get the big ones for no reason, it just doesn't.
I've seen a Nissan Sentra, like the old model,
Yeah,
not the new one. I've seen one riced out. I know you've seen it around Wheaton, bro. It has like chrome lining everywhere. The hood scoop. Just dive
Yeah,
in.
just like drive in.
Just drive
I
into
don't
it.
understand how you have service on a fucking
You just have to mix it up
iPad.
yourself.
Big ass phone. That's a new
You
iPhone.
just pour it
right
on your
there.
car or something.
Nah, you have to
22.
get the spray things.
iPhone 9 like shit. Hey, introducing
Gio. Zoom in, please.
Nigga, what are you doing?
If you ever need some puppies, just hit them
Hit him
up.
up. 4K.
You know?
Only 4K.
4K $1,000 puppies.
No,
$4,000.
Only 4K.
Oh, that's the cheapest? Oh,
hell
shit.
no, you tripping.
That's not the big baller brand.
Oh yeah, I have tire shine.
You gotta pay an extra $1,000 to talk
I
to
can
me.
buy a whole car with that money, man.
What's not even on?
What, the tire?
I thought it was tightening.
No, not yet.
No, it's letting it dry.
Listen to the cap.
Yeah. Oh, right.
I don't have mine either. You gotta get a red cap for the wheels now. If they even have it. You know, apparently those are bad.
I'm going for the wrist brakes.
Don't waste your money on your speaker. You need the last car.
Yeah, they don't keep air. Like half of my coins don't keep air.
It's clean, right?
Yeah.
Lost the
Just
cap.
have it out. It doesn't
Yep.
let out
Lost the
air.
cap.
You click it and it lights up. Or have you already tuned it?
Not yet.
To
I
stage
want
3.
to, but my friends don't
Go
want
straight
me
to
to
stage
join.
3. Bro, that's...
Dude, I think your mom's gonna rip balls.
She's gonna slash your tires.
Your mom's probably gonna get pat in this piece of shit, bro.
What if she gets that mad?
She said I don't like how it looks.
Cool.
Bitch, I don't give a shit.
Who said that?
My cousin.
She's a lot.
Is that a girl?
Yeah.
Even the inside is red.
Oh yeah.
I see, but
Navigation? She don't need it. She drives. You know Roberta said
Why aren't you in the crew, man?
Huh? I am in the
Why
crew
don't you have a banner?
because I had to take it off.
Why'd you take it off?
Because that's what I need to pass inspection.
Wait, are you guys getting the banner before Sunday?
Huh? Well, I can't go.
Are you getting a banner?
Yo, you already
Is
know
he
I
in it?
can't go. I have work.
Hey, I'm not in it, but I'm hanging with y'all.
I know it's in the morning though, right?
I'm in the-
This nigga said 11.
I thought it was at 11.
Tattoo. That's why I'm going.
Oh shit, I can go.
Yeah, that's like exactly when I'm working,
I
bro.
can go too.
I'm about to have like 7 rushes that day.
We're gonna meet at Rite Aid.
What time are you going to work?
1.
Oh, shit. What time are you going to
Rip.
Hey,
I know, I tried, bro.
hey, who's next?
I need a detail.
With what?
Painting rims.
No.
What's that thing
Pay my
called? The
door
cap?
handles.
Okay, mine's
Huh?
both.
Just pay my door
The
handles.
tire cap?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like-
I'll get them both.
This joint?
Yeah.
Just wait till I have
No.
money.
Dude, I love
This?
shit, man.
No, I don't
What
know.
happened?
What's it called?
The cap joint.
The air cap?
No, not the for the tire. The logo cap. Logo cap.
It's called a cap.
Cap.
Emblem? I don't know.
Emblem cap?
Emblem cap, logo cap, something cap.
Tire cap, it's the only cap.
Actually,
These are like,
Amazon just-
how much are these? Like $7? 7? 8?
They're like 10.
Look at that. From Home Depot?
Oh, hell
Red,
no.
red,
That's fine to fly plastic.
is it on George's? His thing is yellow, right?
No, they're red.
George?
Yeah, they're like that.
Are you serious? Yeah. That's what got last time I saw it was yellow.
Buddy fucked up his clutch. Ah.
Don't know how to drive.
Nah, I told him, stop doing that shit.
What was he
He
doing?
rides the clutch.
Huh? Yeah, cause he like loves making it pop and shit.
Oh,
And
damn.
I was like, you're gonna fuck up this shit. Who? Oh nah, he's always there.
I think he was looking for me, man. To be honest, I did a burnout on
Loud as hell.
Nah, I think they're looking for Brandy and Taggy.
for real,
Remember last year? We took the cars out and they called the feds.
for real. What the
They didn't
fuck?
have plates on it?
Nah, cause we were revving the fuck out of it.
We did that. We did that. 90, hold on.
No,
Probably
it's
like 180.
it's a hatch.
Hey, shot it.
The wagon?
Oh, shit.
My man's Gio got 5 dogs.
Hold on, I have some in my car.
My shoe fell off.
That's when it's supposed to be. We saw that. There was a Monster Speed Racing and
I love
Remember?
those.
Which one? Oh yeah.
it just like they were like
All I smoke is L on a paper trail.
At night that Brandy threw up, right?
Yeah, Brandy threw up that shit. That shit was lit. We got lit. I don't
Do it again on Bobby 18.
Huh?
Let's do it again on Bobby.
JSR cars. They got a Corrado.
You know Street Speed 717?
yeah, he has
Nah.
one.
That nigga has one.
The little the thing shoots up. The little MC thing shoots up.
Yeah.
That shit's cool.
You watch his channel?
Yeah.
I fuck with that guy.
I used to watch a lot, but I don't watch a lot anymore.
I watch.
He had like 2 Corvette, PS3.
I watch Boosted Boys. Broke Boys. Street Speed 717. Salamandra.
Yeah. He be balling.
Ace Family. I know. Hey, you forgot the.
It's not for breeze. Come on, say.
Go, 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 go.
Just get the rhythm. Just get the.
You never done it?
I've done it to
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I did on my emblem, and then I peeled that shit off.
Do you have muscle here?
No.
That's why.
I can't. I don't. I gotta push hard.
Hey, this is my ball. What the fuck? Why do they have it?
What you guys do?
Hey, this is my ball. I'm about to take this. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Yeah.
Hey, let me get some light right here, dude.
Finally done. Got all 4.
What are you gonna do?
Take this shit up.
Hang out this thing.
My mom's gonna be pissed at me.
The aftermath.
Making a hole in the ground.
Well, okay, I'm gonna tell him it was a nigga from the estate.